What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite websites for Cardano NFT. So on this website, you'll be able to find real-time NFT rarity database, marketplace volume and statistic, and aggregation platform. It's made by Jungle, and this is the first thing you're going to be able to see on their page. Market value today was almost 2.5 million. This is how much is in USD. Then total sale almost 10,000 NFTs, and then a couple other things over here. Then we can scroll down and then we can see volume trading, largest floor changes, 24 top sales, then all the collections in one day. And then you can scroll down and then you can see most of the collections here. You can see their floor price at the moment, sale floor, sale volume, average price, market cap, listing. This is one of the most important thing, at least for me, to see what's the percentage of actual project is listing, and then 7-day floor and 7-day value. And then if we scroll up, then there's a couple things right here we can find. Total collections in this database, they have over 50,000. Then NFTs, they have 4.5 million total listings. And again, how many minted in 24 hours, and then total trades. Also, you can connect your wallet here. This is the wallet that they support, and you can actually purchase directly from here. Then we can press on random. It's going to display us random collections here. And then on statistic overview, as I showed you previous, but this one has a nice pie chart. There's another graph. And then as you can see right here, you can see market average hourly volume, and then top 15 collection by volume. Then you can scroll down and top sales. And this is a pretty interesting section right here. Collection total worth. The biggest one is Spacebuds, then Clay Nation, Dead Pixels, Pavia, Chill Kongs, and etc. And as you can see, this is top 100 collections by market cap. Then next thing we can do, we can press on calendar. Right here, you're going to be able to find upcoming minting. And this is not all mintings. I'm sure there are a lot more, but this is the one that were registered or were submitted to Jungle. And then you can press on minting now. You can see exactly what's minting at the moment. And I guess at the time of recording this video, nothing is minting. Also, what I notice, sometimes it might show up that something is minting. It could be already sold out, but it still might show that it's still minting. So keep that in mind. It's just showing overall what was minting today. And then there's one more thing they're offering, but I think for this feature you have to pay sniping tool. So if we press on it, this is going to be Predator. So basically you'll just have to purchase or pay for the subscription, and then you can set up sniping tool. For example, if someone's gonna decide to sell some kind of very rare NFT and they'll just put it at the floor price or maybe even cheaper, this tool can snipe it for you. So this tool could be very useful if you're looking for some kind of specific and you're constantly buying and trading and flipping NFTs. And then in here, there's a search option. So you can search by policies, by collection, address, or assets. So let's search, for example, Cornucopia. It's one of my favorite projects. And let's choose Cornucopia Bubble Jet Sprinter OG. And as you can see at the moment, this is supply that they have in their database. I think actually supply is higher than that. And then listed. This is how many is listed at the moment. 28 items. It's 4%. So this is actually really good. And then you can see floor price, and then you can see trade volume in 24 hours. And then over here, if you scroll down, you can see all of the minted in their order, and then which one's for sale and which one's not. And then you can press on this little tab where it says on sale. It's just going to show you every single one of them that's currently is on sale. You can also set from low to high or by numbers or however you would like to sort it out. And then you can see the price here. You can purchase directly from here, or you can press on actual NFT and then press on over here. And this one is listed on JPG Store. And if you press on it, it's going to take you directly to JPG Store. And then we can go back. We can close this. And actually right here, you can see where it's listed. Most of them are listed on JPG Store. And looks like this is it. 28 OG Bubble Jets currently listed on Cardano marketplaces. And also over here on the left hand side, if you're looking for some kind of specific trade or rarity chart, you can change right here and you can set what kind of color, derivatives, manufacturing, model, paint, seeds, year, and whatever is going to be out there available for different rarity rank, or even what kind of marketplace they have almost all marketplaces right here listed. You can choose a specific marketplace where would you like to purchase this NFT from. And you can set a dark mode right here as well. And this is pretty much it. Hopefully you will find this website useful. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.